Let me see him.
How about
Blitzen.
you take pictures?
No. Let him run around. Blitzen. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Blitzen. Who's that? Who's barking, Blitzen? Who is it? Who is it? Who is it, buddy? Who is it? Aww. Yes, you're happy. You just want to be on his lap. Blitzen.
He's not even gonna come there.
No. Because he's on your lap. He's pretty happy. He just wants to cuddle. Aw, and give kisses. Yes, you're a sweet boy, Blitzen. He thinks he's a big lap dog.
You give me a kiss on the hand.
Yeah. He thinks you're sweet. Blitzen, can I get a good picture of your face? Look at me, buddy. Yes, you're a good boy. You're a good boy. Yes. Good boy.